Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ungroup emails on the Outlook application. So first of all, of course, if you have the Outlook application on your desktop, all you need to do, just go and open it. Of course, if you don't, you will need to go and download it through any browser you are currently using, or maybe it's working for you, whatever browser working for you, just go and open it. And of course, type at the URL download Outlook and hit the first link and start downloading it. Of course, it will be like any other download. You must have been already like downloaded something in your PC before, so just follow the instruction of downloading an application. It will be pretty simple. So once it's downloaded, you will need to install it, then open it on your PC. Once you did that, they will ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one from their website, or if you have an option to create it here, just go and create it on the Outlook application. Once you create it, log in into it to find yourself here at this home page or at this main screen like me. So, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to ungroup emails on the Outlook application. So of course, let's say as an example, you are here at the inbox and you have here like a group of emails and you want to ungroup them. Simply, if you want to do that, just go to the view menu at the top here, options. You will find the view menu here or a view option. If you click on it, you will find yourself with those options. Of course, and once you are here, as you can see, you will see the date is selected here. Of course, if you want to ungroup them from the dates, as you can see, yesterday, Thursday, Wednesday, and you want to ungroup them from this, all you need to do is just to go here and click at categories. That will ungroup them from that folder to just one, which is going to be names none, and you're gonna find every emails you got in the inbox here. Of course, you can group them again by from like someone to someone and other options you have here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.